how to get old Roblox back after the Roblox kit and select update. So if you want to do that, you will need to go to roblox.com, click on the gear icon and then choose settings. From within the settings here, you will need to verify your age group. So you have the option of providing your ID and also doing facial recognition. So basically it's gonna take a picture of your face and it's gonna verify how old you are. You will need to have confirmed your birthday, so here you can go through the different age group verification. So you just gotta confirm your age, and if you are over 16, then it's going to let you play the normal Roblox. And if you wanna download it, then all you have to do is just click on any game. Then once we click on any game, we will click on the blue button here and it's going to show open Roblox client or download Roblox. We can close this. Now it's going to show you download Roblox, and you can click on download Roblox, install it, and you can get to play the previous version, the normal version. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.